You're funny, ZZ.
What are you laughing about?
Your sister said, what are you laughing about, ZZ?
What are you laughing
He said, shut it. That's what he said. Sounding like it. He must be talking to himself. Who are you talking to, ZZ? Is Yin asleep?
No, she was chilling.
She chilling?
She been up for a minute.
Oh, dang. She can use her car seat. You encourage BB over there encouraging him. Can you say that again? Can you say it again, ZZ? ZZ, don't shut it. You think it's funny?
Where's my baby Ford?
Baby Ford is gone. I don't know where Baby Ford is. She done went out around town somewhere. Daughter, no, I cannot. Ask mom.